Katrin here with European Papercrafts in the US. Today I have these beautiful card making pads to share with you, so let's get started. When I found these card making pads, I was so happy because I haven't seen anything like this in the US, and I got these from Holland. They're from a company called Studiolight, and there are two different versions, so I'm going to show you. These are die cut pads. This particular kind, it says it makes 12 complete cards. However, you can easily make double, and I show you how. But they are so beautiful. This is La Provence, and it has all these beautiful imagery of lavender, and it's got this lilac colors, and everything is die cut. So you have a card base here, and then you have different embellishments to add, and each card also comes with a sample so that you are not lost how to start off your cards. So you can of course come up with your own designs, but you can follow the sample, and then you have all these different embellishments that you can use up on your cards and envelopes. So this one again is the La Provence. Then we have Denim Blues, and it's got these beautiful blueberry colors, jeans color. It's got this bottle green, and again you have card samples and then all the different embellishments to make, I would say, at least 24 beautiful cards. Here we have the painted peonies, and we're going to take a closer look here in a minute because this is the pad that I played with, and this is so super gorgeous. So you will see my samples. And then the other kind from the same company would be the designer pad that comes with designer paper and 24 3D images. And the way this works is you have a paper, and then you also have the 3D images. So as you can see, you have all the different layers to make card toppers. Here is the background paper, and then more embellishments that you can stack on top of each other with foam pads and make these beautiful card toppers. They also come in Christmas designs, and the links are in the box below, so you can find them online. Now, the painted peonies. Now, again, this is the one I played with, and I had so much fun. So take a look. These cards come out so absolutely adorable, and I love the sentiments. I love the greens, the pink. This one here looks like a ribbon, but it is paper, so it's part of the cutouts. Also, this little wooden peg here is made out of paper, but it looks really real. I love you to the moon and back. The only thing I added other than the card base was the glitter. So none of these are glittered. I put it on because I love glitter, but if you are not into glitter, then these are also perfect for you. They are unglittered. Look at these beautiful corner treatments. Isn't that a gorgeous card? Absolutely beautiful. Here's a thank you card. You can see the peonies. It's so absolutely beautiful. I don't know. I have no words. I'm repeating myself. But I just so love to make these cards. Now, 12 cards can be made. This is what it says. But since each of these have these sample cards, now I made a couple of cards using just a sample card, which is also a cutout. So you don't need to even cut it. It just pops out, and you can make a couple of smaller cards. Why would you want to waste the sample card? So this is the Studiolight card making pads, and you really get a bang for your buck here because you get so many different embellishments to make so many beautiful cards and other projects. So again, all the links are in my info box below. Thank you for spending time with me today. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and also join us on Facebook. Every week I upload what I do over the weekend, so these cards you could also see on Facebook if you want to take a closer look. But what I really want is that you sign up so I can see what you create. So please hop over and join us at the European Papercrafts Friends group. Thanks again for watching my video today, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!